Let's unbox these serving trays. I got the 3-pack. They're individually wrapped, color is gold, and they're nice and vibrant. They're smooth to the touch except for the logo, which is on the side. That's embedded in the material, and the material is metal. And each of these trays have the logo on the side. They're quite solid. They feel nice and heavy in my hand. They're very functional and versatile, so you can use them on your bar for serving trays, on your vanity for jewelry and makeup, or on your coffee table for candles and flowers. Let's take the measurements. The largest one is 11 3/4 inches. Then the next size down is 7 3/4, and then the smallest one is 4 3/4. And for now, this is how I'm styling my trays. I think they're well made and they add a touch of elegance to my table.